So we are discussing review exercise. Now our question is, if if one matrix is this equal to this, then you have to find out the value of A and B. Right? A and B, we have to find out the value of A and B. So simple. So see, first of all, we will see that where is A? This is A. And where is B? This is B. So see, this is the first entry of the first matrix. This is the first element or first entry of the second matrix. So this entry is corresponding to this one. This belongs to this one, right? So how we will add, how we will subtract, same rule we will apply here, corresponding entries. So first of all, we have to find out the value of A plus 3 equal to this corresponding entry minus 3, right? Do not say that A plus 3 is equal to 6 or A plus 3 is equal to 4. Corresponding entries. A plus 3 is equal to negative 3. So we want the value of only A. We do not want this 3 here, right? So what is the rule? We have to get rid of this 3. So there are 2 or 3 different methods. So first is A is equal to, we want A here on the left hand side, A, whatever you have on the right hand side, just write down as it is. Now this is the extra thing, right? When we will take this, first you have to see the relationship. What is the relationship between A and 3? Positive, plus sign, and the positive, inverse of positive is negative. When we will take this to the other side, it will be negative 3. So negative 3 is minus 6. So this is the value of A. First requirement. Then is B. So see, what is the corresponding entry of B? 2. This one, right? Do not say that this. The corresponding entry B minus 1 equal to 2. We want only B here. We do not want this negative 1. So write down B. Whatever you have to find out, just write down on one side. Whatever you have on the right hand side. What is extra? This negative 1. See, the relationship is B minus 1, negative 1. When you will take this negative to the other side of the equation, it will be positive 1. So the value of B is 3. This is the requirement. And we have calculated A and B. So easy. And thanks for watching.